Hey guys, back at it again with another video. My name is Trace Yoakum with Yoakum's Gun Locker. We have an unboxing video. I already cut it and redacted the personal information because we have an unboxing video. He told me a little bit about what's in here. I know the couple things that are in here. The weight of it, I'm assuming there's a few extra little goodies in here. So let's just see what we get from SST Firearms. Opening it up. Very clean packaging. I appreciate that, Dylan. You can't even see it. There we go. It's a whole box of crap. Let's see what we got. All right. I ordered these for my wife. I love that. Splatter paint. I can't physically say what it is or else we'll end up in Facebook jail again. I love that. I absolutely love that. Calls that black splatter paint. He has a lot of neons too. Bought this for the wife. Got another one here. These are Cerakoted, I do believe. By the looks of it, it looks like he did the black underneath and then Cerakoted the neon colors on top. That looks really good. Look at that. I mean, to a lot of people, that seems really, really simple. But the craftsmanship that I know he puts in, and he was dealing with a lot of personal health issues too. But he gave me a hell of a turnaround time. I think I had these. I sent them out and had them back within 2 weeks. And this is for our giveaway. I told him just do whatever he wanted to it. I'm sure whatever he did, I would love it. Man, that is, it's on both sides. That is absolutely beautiful. You got the Yoakum's Gun Locker logo on there. Has like a, I would say a blue and a deep red. Oh, I just now seen your logo on there, dude. That's sick. I like that. I'll let you guys look at this. It's like a blue and a red with white speckles on there. Got the Yoakum's Gun Locker etched in. This is going on that giveaway rifle we have. The SST Firearms logo. Yoakum's Gun Locker. That's cool. I love it, man. I absolutely love that. Oh, broke it. You accept returns? I'm just kidding. There we go. Should put that in the middle. So pretty. There we go. What else you give me? These stickers? Get out of here. Those are business cards. They're metal. They got thinner metal. That's 100% metal. Look at that. Our boy Dylan hooking us up as always. I don't know if it's going to be scannable for you, but SST Firearms, Sperryville, Virginia. That's sick. Firearms manufacturer, custom laser engraving, custom Cerakoting, custom magazines, custom rifle builds, firearms buy sell trade, SSTFirearmsLLC.com on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Ooh, he's a TikToker. There we go. Got a bunch of these. Need a business card? Come on out here. I'll give you one. He does a great job for me. It's not the first thing I've gotten from him either. Everything he gives me is just pure gold. There you go. Last thing in the box. SST Firearms patches. So you never know what you're going to get with this guy. I'll put it right there. But nope, just a quick unboxing video for you. Gen 2's Gen 3. I'm assuming this is the Gen 3. The dots at the bottom there. But no, overall, I am extremely impressed. As always, thank you, Dylan. I appreciate it. This magazine right here is going with our giveaway. I guess this would be a great time to show that. Here is our giveaway rifle, as you can see. We have the logo on there. Yoakum's Gun Locker. Fire safe. And on the other side here, and this rifle here we're giving away once we hit 1,000 followers on Facebook, which we are currently at 660 last time I looked. But I mean, it's here. Thank you for tuning in for another unboxing video. I appreciate you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at facebook.com/Yoakum's Gun Locker. You can also see our listings on Arms List. I try to post mini links or mini URL redirects because Facebook does not allow us to use certain websites. But other than that, feel free to look us up on Google. We are on Google now. We are out here Wednesday through Saturdays, noon to 6, and more hours are available upon appointment. Other than that, have a wonderful day.